There is something about human being that everybody naturally know how to give advice. Almost everyone know how to give advice. If you see someone going through something, you tell the person, maybe do this, maybe do that. Like it's a natural thing that we do. We give our friends advice. We give a mother giving a child advice, a child giving the mother advice, like a doctor giving whoever or giving a friend advice. People just easily give advice. But what if that's our natural instincts that we give away to people? What if you can apply it into your life? What if you can do it for yourself? Using that gift, that thing that God has given to you that you use for people easily. What if you can do it for yourself? I'm just saying, what if you can give yourself advice? Let me tell you how this works. It may sound crazy, but it works. Most great people that I have seen have their quiet time. And their quiet time is their thinking time. What do you think they are doing? They are giving themselves advice, evaluating their life and saying, oh, this is not working. How can I improve this? This is working. Let me keep up with it. They are giving themselves advice. So what if you do that for yourself? Sit down. Just sit down. Just get quiet in your life and use that ability. You have it in you. It's not out there. It is not in 20 ways, 30 ways. It is in you already. It's naturally, it's inbuilt in you. Sit down, write and look at yourself with love, with honesty, because nobody will even tell you the truth. With honestly, and tell yourself, here I am in my life. If I love this person, picture yourself. Nobody knows your life better than you. You know your life completely better than anyone else in the world. Look at yourself and say, okay, where am I now? Maybe in your business, in your finance, in your relationship, whatever. And you ask yourself, where am I now in my life? If I'm to give what is working and what is not working, if I'm to give this person advice, what will I do? Funny enough is that most of us know what to do, but we don't do it. But I dare you to write it down, to even create a space for you to take yourself serious, to write these things down and say, I need to do this, I need to do that, and start taking just the smallest step ever. Ask yourself, what is the smallest step I can take right now that can change my life? What is it that I can do now that can change my life? You notice that you have the power to change your life completely. You will know that, in fact, this exercise will call you out. So you will just know that, oh, you actually know what to do, but you're not doing it. That's the thing. The exercise will call you out. You will feel seen by yourself. You just validate your mess up and quickly take your mess up, and you quickly take the next step and move forward. But don't overwhelm yourself by telling yourself, I will do this. Of course, all of us have a lot of things to work on. We have 20. Just ask yourself the next question. Don't overwhelm yourself and feel like, oh my God, I have 20 lists. I have 20 lists of things I need to work on. I have 50 lists. No, don't get yourself in that trap. Imagine you going to a coach. Coach don't overwhelm you with things. They'll just give you a simple next step to take. They don't make it ambiguous. They make it simple. So simple that you will succeed in it. That's what you do for yourself. But ask yourself the question, what is the smallest, simplest thing I can take action now? In this list I make, which of the one is really affecting my life and pulling me down? What should I do next? That's it. And you see your life better. I honestly want you to believe and see that you have all it takes in your hand, in you. You are enough, and not your worthiness is not outside. It is in here for you to claim. It is never elsewhere. Nobody is the one blocking you. It is ever in you. Whatever that makes you is in you. You are enough. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I will see you in my next one. Bye for now.